Hello everyone, welcome back to Blake's Den. This is a very quick follow-up video. I regassed the aircon in my Hyundai Santa Fe about a year ago. I thought I'd give you an update as to how well it's working. So for those who don't know, this car was off the road for 7 years. I then rescued it and it's been back on the road for about 3.5 years now. We're currently on 38,000 miles and I'm using it pretty much every day. The aircon completely didn't work. There was no gas in it whatsoever before I decided to play around with it. The outside air temperature today is 24. Feels an awful lot warmer than that, I must admit. I've got the fan speed on 2, AC on and recirculation on, and we'll see what sort of temperature we're getting out of the air vents. So using my trusty digital thermometer, I'm currently getting, this, bear in mind I'm on idle, 5 degrees of cold air coming out, and it does feel really cool in here. And that's only on fan speed 2 as well, but it's still dropping there. I've also found that when the car's got some power, so you're doing like say 2000 RPM, it seems to blow even colder still. So that's me holding it at about 2000 RPM. You can see it is still dropping the temperature. It's down to 5. Yeah, it's stopping about, yeah, still going down. Obviously the engine's providing more power to the aircon pump. Hopefully you can hear me, but with the aircon on sort of full speed, that blows on full speed, I found it doesn't quite work as well. It feels like it's like not got enough cooling capacity to like keep up with the airflow. So I'll just check the temperature there coming out now. It's about 7. Yeah, it's actually going up to 8 now. I reduce the fan speed now, and you can see the temperature is dropping. So did the aircon regas work? Well, yeah, it did actually. I haven't topped it up since last year, and it's keeping me nice and cool when I'm driving the car. I think it could possibly be better. Possibly a bit more gas, but I don't know how good the aircon was on these cars to start off with. I know they were sold in North America, so if you're one of the North American viewers of the channel and you've got one of these and you're in Arizona, California, one of those hot states, let me know how good the aircon is on your Mark 1 Santa Fe. So thank you for watching. If you didn't watch the video where I've regassed the aircon, it's well worth a watch that. Click that now. If you want to regas the aircon yourself, and yeah, it's 100%, it's something you can very easily do at home. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.